What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steffan, yeah.
After the dismal success of my first YouTube video, I'm back, and I'm also YouTube famous. Nah, just kidding. In my first YouTube video, I explained that I was currently unemployed and that I would be starting this YouTube channel as a way to try and earn income. Well, 9 days after I posted my first YouTube video, YouTube money had yet to start rolling in. Thankfully, however, I was contacted to do some website maintenance and social media marketing. Here's how things went over the first 43 days.
In the beginning,
we discussed the work that was needed, and I informed the customer that I would create a proposal. I sent the customer a 14-page proposal with 3 options. Option 1 costing 2,000 Rand and option 3 costing 4,000 Rand. Each option had a setup fee ranging from 3,000 to 6,500 Rand. I then embarked on my first visit to the customer shop. I received 8 product images for editing. After some back and forth with the customer, I sent back 8 product images with the customer's business information, logo, and watermark.
we are in a foreign. Look at this. Woo!
Over the course of July, we received 264 unedited product images. In total, we ended up sending back 339 images, 322 of these images being final product images, and the other 17 being web banners and QR codes. On Facebook, I created 25 posts, and on Instagram, I created 20 posts. I did 10 hours of work on the website and created 26 products. I met with the customer twice. In total, we spent between 92 and 110 hours to produce work valued at between 6,300 and 10,600 Rand. This equates to between 68 Rand 50 to 96 Rand 36 per hour. For all of this work, we received payment of 2,000 Rand. This equates to between 18 Rand 18 and 21 Rand 74 per hour. This is our first customer, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity. We do hope this opportunity will lead to a long and successful business relationship with this customer. That being said, let's take the following into consideration. Number 1. In my proposal, I did not stipulate what Photoshop work would be covered in each option. Number 2. Our setup fees ranged from 3,000 to 6,500 Rand and stipulated that they would include the first month's monthly fee. Number 3. After discussing the proposal with the customer twice, no written agreement was signed. Number 4. We provided great value for money. The amounts used to calculate the costs and time required for this amount of work are super low, not to mention trying to calculate the accurate costing for the skills required. Additionally, we had quick turnaround times. We wanted to ensure that the customer could see our dedication towards getting his website and social media presence going. 5. Our calculations did not factor in skills required to do work, cost of computer and software usage, time spent communicating with customer and waiting for feedback, airtime/data, time or cost for research done, electricity costs, traveling costs, or administration costs. With this being our first customer, there have been some challenges that we have faced, but we are truly thankful for this opportunity and will continue to provide service for this customer, as well as to any new customers who may be interested in our services. If you are interested in any of our services, please contact me via social media or WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed and found the video insightful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you would like to see more content like this in the future. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Any tips or feedback would be greatly appreciated. I have left the link to our Buy Me a Coffee page in the description below. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I've also left some links to my friend's work that I've left in the background if you'd like to check them out on Soundcloud. Thank you very much for watching. I will try to upload more regularly. I am just currently struggling with a broken hand.